Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add auto caption on CapCut. So first of all, open up the CapCut and enter the website. And as you can see, this is my projects and everything. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into adding a project, or create a new project on CapCut, and then just go ahead and change or choose the size of that project. If you want it to be 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, which is for social media, you could choose this one. In my case, I'm going to choose the 9 by 16, which is for social media shorts. So you're going to see right here the template appearing in front of you. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just add this short that you see at the top. And as you can see, this is the short and everything, right? Now what I'm going to do in order to add a caption, you're going to see like a upload caption file. You can add a caption file if you have one, or you can just add auto captions at the top, right? So I'm gonna just add the auto captions at the top. Basically, I'm gonna wait it out, and you're gonna be able to see simply this is your text appearing on CapCut, and you can change the templates on your right here after you add the auto caption to whatever color that you actually want for your video. And if you want to add or edit the text on that caption, you can always do that, and you can change the size, font, or the color. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.